Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. Appreciate the visit. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you as well. Today, we're outside on my front porch, and we are going to fill my Vego self-watering tomato stand that I got as a Christmas gift from Vego. So here is the tomato planter that I got for Christmas from Vego. It was a surprise gift along with several other ones that they sent. So I'm in the process of actually filling it with water, but before I complete that, I'm going to go ahead and add some soil in here. We're going to be planting a sun sugar cherry tomato. So these are my sun sugar cherry tomatoes, and I started these in the hydroponic kit, and about two and a half weeks ago I uppotted them to soil, and they were looking very well until I set them outside and they were knocked down from where they are currently sitting, not once but twice, by my grandkids. So I decided the best thing for these was to go ahead and uppot them into the planter, and there's no way that the planter is going to get knocked over. So let's go ahead and put the biggest one into the planter. So we have it planted, and it's actually two plants, and I didn't want to separate them. So it's my hope that now that it's planted in its final home, it will take root and start to grow and recover from the shock of being knocked over twice. So we'll come back and do an update and let you know what is going on with it. We have the reservoir filled, and keeping our fingers crossed, and everything should go as planned. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we finally used the Christmas gift we got from Vego, the standalone rolling tomato planter, and we planted a sun sugar cherry tomato. The seeds we got from Haas, and as I said, hopefully everything will work good and we will have a nice and productive cherry tomato growing soon. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Are you guys starting to put your plants into the ground as well, wherever you are in the country? Let me know down in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.